Hello, it's Diwan, and I appreciate you taking the time to explore this product review. Do you want to create your own mobile app, but don't have the time, money, or skills to do it? Do you wish you could reach more customers, generate more leads, and grow your business with a powerful mobile app? If you answered yes, then you need Appz. Before we delve into the details, I want to mention that if you're interested in having your own personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards earning up to $10,000 per month online, check out the first link in the description. Now, let's get back to the review. You can purchase the product through the second link in the description at any point during this video. And as a special incentive, I'll be offering 3 exclusive bonuses that can catapult your success. Bonus number 1. 12 free tools to put your digital marketing business on autopilot. Discover how to save countless hours and skyrocket productivity with 12 hand-picked digital marketing tools for automation. Streamline social media, content creation, email marketing, analytics, and more. You'll get access to digital experts' favorite automation tools when you use my link in the description. Bonus number 2. Free traffic strategies for 2024 step-by-step training videos. Ready to unleash the power of organic traffic? Get instant access to our comprehensive video library and discover game-changing strategies for boosting your website visibility and conversions in 2024 when buy through my link in the description. Bonus number 3. My guide to scale your TikTok to make $100 per day. Discover the underground techniques top TikTok creators use to rapidly scale their accounts and monetize. This step training reveals insider strategies to explode your views, followers, and engagement. Implement our proven blueprint to consistently drive over $100 a day on TikTok with smart content strategies and conversion tactics. No prior experience required. Our systems work for anyone willing to take action. Join the top earners on TikTok today. These bonuses, freshly released and available only through my link, could easily be valued at hundreds of dollars. But I'm providing them to you absolutely free to help you maximize the potential of the product and boost your success. I'm here to elevate your game, so let's get started. Upon purchasing the product, these bonuses will be automatically delivered to you inside Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Let's dive into the review and enhance your journey to success. Appz is a cloud-based software that lets you create and launch stunning mobile apps in minutes without any coding skills or experience. You can choose from hundreds of templates, customize them with your own logo, colors, and content, and publish them to the app stores with one click. You can also add features like push notifications, social media integration, e-commerce, chat, and more to make your app more engaging and profitable. With Appz, you can create your own mobile app in minutes and enjoy the benefits of having a powerful marketing tool for your business. You can reach more customers, increase your brand awareness, boost your sales, and collect valuable feedback from your app users. You can also save time and money as Appz is very affordable and easy to use. You don't need to hire developers, designers, or marketers, as Appz does everything for you. So what are you waiting for? Get Appz today and create your own mobile app in minutes. Appz is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to create and launch a mobile app without any hassle or headache. Appz is currently offering a special deal for a limited time, so don't miss this opportunity. Click the link below and get Appz now before the price goes up.